Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akasha bin Sulaiman. I am representative from Group 3 and today I'm going to demonstrate the Drier experiment. So today I'm going to use carrot and cucumber as my sample. These carrot and cucumber are sliced into thickness of 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter each, and make sure to keep it in a cloth container to prevent it from being air dried. And this is the table that I'm going to use to tabulate all the data obtained from this experiment. And for the experiment, I'm going to use this oven as my tray dryer, and these balance, I'm going to use it to weigh all the samples. Alright, so for the general startup procedure, first we must set the setting of the oven according to the requirement of the experiment. So we need to set the temperature of the oven to 150 degrees Celsius and then turn on the timer. After that, we can turn on the power source, and then we're going to leave the oven for about 15 minutes to make sure the inside temperature of the oven is approximately equal to 150 degrees Celsius. So now we have spare time. You're going to use it to weigh all our samples and tabulate the initial weight data. Alright, so first we're going to weigh the first turn on the balance. Okay, so we're going to weigh the first sample, the 3 centimeter carrot, and the weight is 25 grams, so we're going to tabulate that 25 grams, and then we're going to repeat the same steps for all the samples. And finally, the last sample, the 1 centimeter cucumber, and the weight is 16 grams, and we're going to tabulate that. Okay, so now we wait until the oven is ready. Okay, so 15 minutes has passed. We're going to use this phone as our timer, and we're going to set the interval to 5 minutes, and we're going to take the reading for the weight of the samples for every 5 minutes. Alright, so now we're going to take out the rack from the oven. Take it out, and then I'm going to put all our samples onto the rack. Put them all, start from the thickest to the lightest. Alright. Okay. Arrange them in a manner that they have adequate space around them. Okay, we're done. Now we're going to put them inside the oven. Go. Yeah. Okay. Once we have put all the samples onto the oven, immediately start the timer. And now we're going to wait for 5 minutes until we take the reading of these samples' weight. Let's wait. Okay, so the first 5 minutes is up. We're going to take out all our samples and we're going to weigh them again. There they are. Okay, turn on the weighing. Okay, it's on, so we're going to first weigh the cucumber. It's 46 grams. And then the second sample, it's 33 grams. And then we're going to repeat this step until we finish weighing all the samples. And finally, the last sample, the 1 centimeter carrot, it's 9 grams. Alright, so now we're going to put the rack back in. Careful, it's hot. Okay, once we put it in, going to start the timer. And then we're going to repeat these steps until we finally obtain 10 readings, or until the reading of the sample's weight become constant. So let's wait. Right, and finally it's the final reading, the 10th reading. So we're gonna take out the rag. Alright. And like we're gonna weigh all the samples. Take the mass. It's 37 grams. And then repeat with all other samples. And the final one, the 1 centimeter carrot, 6 grams. Alright, so with that, our experiment has ended, and these are the data that I have obtained from this experiment. That's all from me. Thank you.